Hello children. Today we are going to learn in Scratch one more new thing. I am going to tell you how to record your own voice and use it in your code. And we will also see what are the different types of sounds available in Scratch which I can use in my code. Let's open Scratch. Now here, when we go to the sound option, sound category, you can go put it here. Let's put the green flag. When the green flag clicked, play sound. Now there is a sound tab here. We click on this sound tab and there are so many different types of sounds available. When we go look for it, you see all these different sounds are available. You can very well use it in your code. Now suppose, let me just take this code, this sound, okay? I don't want this. Now bubbles. So from here I play. You see, so this sound you can use whenever a fish is there in an aquarium or in any other story where there is water, you can use this sound. How do I put it in my code? I go to this code, play sound bubbles. This is the name of that particular sound. Now I'm going to put it in, say, a repeat block or a forever block, and let's see how it works. So when I click on the green flag, so it works like this. So it forever, it does like this. So any sound you can put according to your story. Now I'm going to tell you how to record our own sounds. Okay, so I'm going to Donald. I want to record a sound to play here. So let me go here, record, and I'm going to click on record when I want to start the recording. Hi Mickey, how are you doing? Is everything all right with you? So now let me play and see how it does to start the recording. Hi Mickey, how are you doing? Is everything all right with you? So here I see that some extra sound is coming. I don't want this place. So I drag it like this and it gets deleted. Let me play and see. Hi Mickey, how are you doing? Is everything all right with you? So this is what I want. I don't want this portion, so I have cut it off and I click on save now. So now this is Donald speaking with Mickey. So here I change the name. How are you? I can give any name, press enter. That is the code for me. So I go back to code and in Donald, I put this, how are you? So when I click on the green flag, hi Mickey, how are you doing? Is everything all right with you? Yes, so Donald speaks like this. Now I go to Mickey. In Mickey, I want to record a response. So I'm going to put a sound here, go to record. Hi Donald, I am all right and I'm enjoying myself. Will you come and play with me? Hi Donald, I am all right and I'm enjoying myself. Will you come and play with me? So this is the response of Mickey. So here I'll write maybe play. That's the name of my recording. So I want to put this in my code and here I say I put this play. So when I click on it, hi Donald, I am all right and I'm enjoying myself. Will you come and play with me? So this is how we record our sounds and use it in our code. One more thing I want to tell you here, the sprites which we downloaded in the previous tutorial, you see that they are not transparent, and whenever I'm going to put a background, it will show me as a not as a transparent one. In order to remove the in order to remove this white thing which is there, so I click on Mickey, go to costumes. In costumes, I click on this fill option. There is a dropper like thing. I click on dropper, click here to take the transparent thing, and then I click inside like this. So the white space which is there, which I don't need, is removed. Okay, this is how we do that. Then I come to Donald also. I repeat the same procedure. Click on costumes, click on this fill option, and here take the dropper and take this. When I click on the dropper, it means I want to pick up. It's called picker, not the dropper. The picture looks like a dropper. It's called a picker. So I'm wanting to pick up a color. This color I pick up, which a transparent area. So I click on it and then I click inside and this white portion goes away, which I don't need. Okay, so now you can see both my sprites which I downloaded from the net. They are transparent and I can work with them. So today you have learned how to make the sprites transparent, the ones that I have downloaded. Second thing, how to record your own sounds and use it in your code. So happy coding, make nice codes, and enjoy your work. Bye for now.